Okay, so continuing on with this 5-star kit project that I've chosen to undertake. Last upload that I made, I am done with the head, and now I'll be working on the upper torso, chest area. This is looking like it's gonna be much more challenging than the head because of all these parts right here. I'm probably gonna stop right here because this is the lower part of the kid's body, so I'll work on that the next week or something. So while I'm just taking out the parts from the runner, I want to take the time to just, well, I never knew this. I don't know if he's gonna be a little bit posable now that I'm looking at these parts right here, but it seems like you might be able to move his arms. I'm still not sure about that, but this looks like their own, the company's own version of polycaps or something. I don't know. Hopefully I am at least able to move the this kit's arm once I'm done painting this kit, but we'll see. All right, so this is me painting. I'm actually doing a voiceover this time while I'm painting because I want to put a mask on, and also I don't want to die from lung cancer. That's why. So like I said, the struggle that you will always have, at least for me, that I'm always having, is trying to make the colors that I pick fit in with the entire kit. Meaning, did I choose the right color for certain parts to make it look like it's seamless? So here I am painting gold, hoping that the rough gold and the regular gold and the red gold is, and the what do you call that? What's the other color? The metallic bloody red. It's all gonna fit in there where it makes kind of sense, you know. And hopefully it does. So I'll be right. I'm not the greatest painter in the world. If anything, I'm probably the most noobest out of everybody that's uploading on YouTube. And that's, you know, and they're much more, I want to say they're way more of an expert than I am when it comes to painting. I am just some regular dickhead that thinks he knows what he's doing. So we'll see. So yeah, so after I'm done painting all these parts right here, I'm gonna show you guys what the chest is gonna look like with the head attached to it, and hopefully, like I said, they all fit well. Now I don't hopefully they do. You know, that's the risk that you take when you're painting your kit, is if your kit's gonna look cool, if you pick the right color combination. You know, yeah, everybody goes through that kind of freaking problem when you're painting your kits, okay? So yeah, sorry I can't do a live commentary what I'm painting, because like I said, I don't want to die. I am using lacquer paints. That's why I have to put a mask on. And maybe if I was using acrylics, I wouldn't have to put a mask on, but I would still put a mask on anyways, because, you know, any kind of paint, in my opinion, is gonna kill you if you just freaking snort the shit out of it, you know? Alright, so be right back with the entire build. Well, not the entire build, the chest built up, glued in together and all that stuff, and then hopefully it looks cool with the head. Alright? Alright, so finally done with the chest. Looks pretty cool so far. It, of course, it is glued together now, so I can't really move it that much. You know, it's just sad. I'm just sad that I can't pose this kit because it looks very cool. Look at that. I mean, so much details on this tiny little kit. It's just unfortunate that you can't pose it, man. That's the saddest part about it. Like, I'm so sad. Oh, I know it's kind of not straight if you do a close up on his face. The eyes are not very straight. So I'm kind of sad about that too. But you know, pro tip: if you're gonna take a picture of your kid and you don't think it's straight enough, don't take a front picture. Take like a kind of like a side picture like this, or like a completely side picture like that. But yeah, finally done with the chest. So far, it's looking great. I'm liking the color scheme that I chose. It is actually very cool, in my just my 2 cents and stuff. But right now, well, next video, I'm gonna be working on the lower part of the torso, and then we'll go from there. It looks like, from judging from the instructions on the manual, it looks like there's gonna be a lot of parts on this next one, so it's gonna be quite the challenge in a way to see what color I'm gonna choose on the outer parts, because there's gonna be some parts of the kit that's not gonna show at all, which is kind of sad because it's got a lot of details. Like, I'll show you guys here. This part right here won't even show on the kit at all. It will be covered. So that, and look at all these freaking details that's on it. It's just not gonna be showing on there and stuff. So, you know, disappointed, but overall the kit looks very cool, even though you can't pose it, because you know I like posing my kits and stuff. But yeah, so far this is what I got. Looking pretty cool. Doesn't look like a dildo anymore. Some people pointed that out when I posted this on Reddit. I could see like the tip right there on the hat, you know, dildo. Alright, so that's it for me. Subscribe if you like. Everybody stay safe, and thank you for watching. See you next time. Peace.